Well, as we get into this Monday morning, getting off to a gorgeous start. This is what it looks like at Lake of the Ozarks here, starting around 40 degrees. So we got off to a mild start across the board. Those winds, though, that's what we're going to be tracking out of the south-southeast, about 6 miles an hour. They're going to pick up as we get into the next couple of hours. And those gusts getting up around 20 to 25 miles an hour is what we're thinking later today. That's going to lead to some issues as dry as it's been. Look at these wind gusts by tomorrow, though, up around 30 and 35 miles an hour for our Tuesday. So it's going to be getting windier before things settle back down as we get throughout this week. Temperature-wise, though, again, with those winds out of the southwest, that kind of carries the load a little bit more. Back into those lower 70s. We'll bottom out around 50 degrees tonight. Then we rebound pretty well, again, with a little added wind gust, getting those numbers up around those middle 70s. But we are going to be tracking that elevated fire danger, again, with those breezy conditions. It's mainly as dry as we've been. We've gone about a week and a half now here without any meaningful rain chance across mid-Missouri. And really over the last 30 days, we've been running well behind average for some of those rain chances. They're holding off until we get into this weekend. By Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to be looking at a frontal boundary starting to slide our direction, and then it kind of stalls out on top of us. And exactly where it stalls out, that's where we're going to be pinpointing some of the heavier amounts. But again, I mentioned that rain deficit. We're up to about an inch behind schedule so far. I think we're going to be trying to fix that going forward over the next 7 days. This is a look at Rain Tracker, about 2 to 4 inches across the board. Hopefully we don't add up too much of that too quick. We'll be continuing to track that isolated flooding threat as we go throughout this week. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, though, you want to have that rain gear ready as we get into the end of this week, but good added incentive to get out and enjoy what we've got while we got it today and tomorrow with that 70-degree weather.